Guys, is there trouble in paradise for the Mseleku family? Because a lot has been happening in that family. We are just speculating as the viewers, Sana, but a lot has been happening. So we all know that Sunday was Father's Day. People celebrated. They were posting their families, posting their father figures. And guess what? Mr. Mseleku was not posted by his uh, 10, it's 11 children at this point because he has a new one. He was also posted by Umpumelelo. This is what he wrote: Happy Father's Day. Sifisela bonke obaba singamathombeni asisho nina boJonas. So Umpumelelo, obvious, Umpumelelo is Mseleku's favorite. They like each other. They love each other. In fact, they are the same. They are the same in so many ways. And then the other person that posted Mr. Mseleku was Abongwe. So Abongwe is Macele's child, which makes sense really for her to post Ubabake because Mr. Mseleku and Umacele, they are like, hey, Sana, they are Romeo and Juliet. So this is what she wrote: Happy Father's Day, Dad. Love you always. Even on the show, like we have seen that Abongwe and Mr. Mseleku, they have a very close relationship. There were times where they would go to lunch and just talk and bond. So you can see that they have a really strong bond. Even the time when Mseleku was sick, she was really touched. She was really touched. But I cannot say the same about Umpilontle. Like Umseleku doesn't realize that he really, really hurt Umpilontle. Like Umpilontle is really hurt. Even on his birthday, she didn't post him. She didn't say anything. Even on Father's Day, she didn't say anything. Because how do you treat me like that during the people in front of the whole world? Like it's really sad to see them, not in good terms because these people used to be so close. They used to be so close, or maybe it was my imagination. I don't know. But after what Mselegu did to Uma Kumalo and also dragging Umpilontle, through their arguments, dragging Umpilontle in their problems, telling Umpilontle that she needs to get pregnant so that Makumalo's house can have children, saying that she is not going to get the ceremony because Mpilontle is not listening to him. Mpilontle is not fighting his battles. Like, how do you do that? So it seems like they are still not in good terms because Mpilontle didn't post him at all, Sana. I really feel bad for her.